If you want to know how I made these beautiful rainbow gradients on my short nails, I'm going to show you step by step so you can achieve the same results. So as always, we're going to start applying our base coat to protect my natural nails and prevent any staining. And then I'm going to apply liquid latex to minimize the cleanup around my fingers. The key for the gradients to be seamless is to dip the piece of sponge in water and then remove the excess and then apply the colors. So I'm going to apply 4 colors here. Try to pick the size of the sponge that match your nails. Sometimes we make the mistake of picking a makeup sponge or something that's too large and we end up filling it out with different colors, but only 1 or 2 transfer to the nail. So that part is very important. I'm not going to paint a base color. I'm just going to go ahead with the gradient. This is optional. You can also paint them white to make the colors pop a little bit more, but these are opaque enough, so I didn't think that I needed white underneath, but it's optional. And as the sponge is wet, when you apply the second coat, it's not gonna pull on the polish underneath. Okay, so that's a key element as well to have a very beautiful and seamless gradient. Depending on the opacity of the polish that you use, you can do this twice or 3 times. I'm gonna add a topper. This is Solar Unicorn Skin and it has gold flakes, so it gives it a little bit more intensity to the background. Now I'm gonna add some stamping, and this is gonna definitely make your manicure a little bit darker because I'm picking black. So you could also leave it like that and just with the gradient, which already looks kind of cool. But I chose this pattern so we can see kind of like a peekaboo. The gradient is showing through the empty spaces and the rest will be covered by black. So I think that combination turned out beautiful. And then I'm going to apply a smudge free top coat so the black won't smear, and then the glossy top coat to give it a nice and glossy finish. And this is also a quick dry top coat, so it will dry super fast. And this is the final result. I really like how it turned out. You can see all the holographic sparkles under sunlight and it's really beautiful. Super easy to do and super fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.